Today we'll be talking about what it's like to be a remote legal assistant at an immigration law firm in the US. With me today is Amina Zayakovic, who has been working as a remote legal assistant at the American Visa Law Group for about 6 months. Amina, thank you for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
So, first question, Amina, what kind of qualifications was your employer looking for when they hired you?
So first of all, this was an entry-level position, so a bachelor degree was preferred, but not it wasn't like mandatory to have it. My employer was looking for a good business English proficiency, great communication skills, obviously because we're working with clients every day, and some computer literacy. That was all, basically.
How did the employer decide that you are the right person for this job?
So I have a bachelor's degree in international relations, and I also had an interview with my now boss, and I performed well on it since I'm here now. I also had an English proficiency test, and I performed well on it.
What are your job responsibilities and your work assignments?
So every week, to be precise, every Monday, we have weekly meetings where we go through what we did last week and where we set goals for what we are planning to do that week. So throughout the week, I work on my cases under my attorney supervision, and what I'm currently able to do is our cases like H-1Bs, employment sponsorships, family-based sponsorships, and citizenships, just to name a few.
How do you get your work done, and what softwares do you use?
So when I get a new case, I always get a sample case that I can refer to. When it comes to what I do is I prepare forms, and then I organize and stitch together all sorts of different legal evidence that I get from my clients. I also present legal arguments, I draft letters, and for all of this I use Adobe Acrobat Pro and Microsoft Word.
Can you tell me more about your clients, and do they know that you work remote?
Generally they don't, but I'm able to use the 8x8 app that enables me to talk to my clients using a US phone number, and it's quite simple. I just need a Wi-Fi connection.
What is the most difficult thing about your job?
The most difficult thing about my job is that when you work with so many people and you handle very private and intimate things about their lives, that people can get quite nervous. They worry if we're going to do things on time. They worry if we will get a request for evidence, for example. And just managing the expectations of my clients is the most difficult part to do, but it's all worth it in the end.
What do you like the most about your job?
What I like the most about my job is that after this hard work, this working under pressure, when we get this approval notice and when I get that email from my client thanking me for everything that I've done for them, when I see that they're back with their families, that they can keep working in the US, for example, that reward is what I like the most about my job.
Great, Amina, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.
If you find yourself interested in finding a remote job opportunity like this or other remote jobs, or if you're an employer looking to post a remote job, feel free to do so at higherbasis.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.